It was the right move to follow the lost soldiers who ran away. Where we find the lost arm.
If you're struggling against a small fry like this, then you fail as my servant.
Serafina, don't let your guard down, Flynn.
If you don't pay attention, you'll be attacked by the Lost again!
Silence! I'll never make the same mistake again. Where is Sir Killias? He's eating something crazy!
Are you serious? He just ate a little while ago!
How can he eat while we're this busy? Go tell him to stop eating and come help us!
No. He needs to keep his calorie intake high to suppress his destructive impulse. It'll be more dangerous if the Tyrant Overlord shows.
I got it! We have to get through this for Killias' sake, Flynn.
Usalia, behind you!
Sorry. Thanks for waiting.
Killias! You sure know how to make an entrance!
Are you all right, Killias? You don't have to participate in this battle.
Thanks to you guys, I've had a good rest. I'm fine now.
Really?
Yes. Now let's send the Lost packing.